good evening friends, and in this video we are going to discuss about the object oriented features of the Kotlin. Since you all know that the Kotlin is an object oriented programming language, and it should have a class, it should have the objects, and it should have different structure. So since you know that the class is just a logical construct, and if you haven't studied about the class, then I suggest you just better go to watch my videos for the playlist in Java, so that you can understand what is the class. So here, just for a small briefing, I just like to say that class is a logical construct which has the variable and functions, and the objects are just the replica of that class, and they are runtime entities, so they are the runtime thing which make things happen. So here I just designed a small class. So first, this is class dog, so the name of the class is dog, and then here I just check only one feature, that by weight var wagging, and its time will be boolean equals false. So I have a dog, and this is a variable wagging, which just says that whether the dog is wagging its tail or not. So first, by default, I set it as false, and then this class have two functions which will set the fun is wagging, and here I'll say that set wagging is true. So if you call this function is wagging, and then this function will set the wagging as true. And if I have another function is not wagging, and there it should be is not, and also I make it is not wagging, then here I can write wagging is false. Now this function show, this function this will just print if wagging is true, then this will print dog is wagging its tail, else dog is not wagging is not wagging its tail. So it's all created. Now I create the object, then I should have this function main, and then I create the object for this dog. So I create the object called Tommy. Tommy is my dog, is this is the dog. So Tommy is the dog. Now Tommy dot show. So we know that by default, because since we have designed, so by default its value is false, so it should show that the dog is not wagging its tail. So yes, now just before calling this, if I call Tommy dot is wagging, so this function call will set the boolean as true, and now it will print that the dog is wagging its tail. So this is the simple feature, and this is how the object of the Kotlin works, and this is how the objects class are created in the Kotlin. Thank you very much, and in the next video we'll go about much more detailing about these features. Have a nice time.